Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to rename your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to scroll down near the bottom where it says About. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select where it says rename this PC, this little button up at the top. At this point, go ahead and enter in whatever computer name you want to change it to. And then you would select next. And then once you restart your computer, the change should take effect. So we go ahead and restart now. So if we open up the search menu, type in settings, go ahead and open that up. You see our computer has been renamed. You could select the rename button here as well. But if we go down to about, and then select rename this PC, it'll tell you the current PC name in pretty clear and no uncertain terms. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.